Pancreatic cancer ranks as one of the most prevalent cancer types and indeed holds the highest fatality rate among all primary cancers. The 5-year relative survival rate for pancreatic cancer stands at merely 12% in the United States. This is due to pancreatic cancer remaining undetected over months to years, progressively spreading to various tissues without exhibiting initial symptoms. Furthermore, when symptoms do begin to appear, many individuals overlook them until the disease reaches advanced stages, by which point it has metastasized from the pancreas to other organs and is no longer surgically removable. However, if the cancer is detected at an early stage, the 5-year relative survival rate significantly increases to 44% from 12%. In this video, we will delve into 12 unusual symptoms of pancreatic cancer to be vigilant about and address promptly to prevent irreversible damage. The pancreas plays crucial roles, such as managing blood sugar levels via insulin production and providing digestive enzymes to break down the food we consume. This is vital for utilizing nutrients, for energy production, powering all activities in every tissue and organ throughout the body. The common belief that pancreatic cancer primarily affects older adults with risk factors like smoking or a family history is somewhat inaccurate. In truth, factors like genetics, toxins, and even being overweight or tall can contribute to or elevate the likelihood of tumor development initially. If you're interested in learning about pancreatic cancer, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. We will also discuss some simple home remedies to potentially slow or reverse tumor growth. The first symptom to watch for is jaundice, an early indicator of pancreatic cancer characterized by the yellowing of the skin and eyes, medically known as jaundice. This condition occurs when bilirubin, a yellow bile pigment, accumulates in the blood. Bilirubin is a normal byproduct of old red blood cells breaking down. The liver typically filters out bilirubin, which then passes through the bile duct to the intestines and exits the body harmlessly in stool. However, when pancreatic cancer develops, tumors often form at the pancreas head near the bile ducts, causing blockages. This obstruction stops bilirubin from being expelled through the intestines, leading to high bilirubin levels in the blood, which then seeps into the skin and eyes, giving them a yellowish hue. The more severe the blockage, the darker and more pronounced the yellow coloration becomes. Therefore, keep an eye out for any new or spreading yellowish skin or eye changes. Another potential indicator of pancreatic cancer is sudden, unexplained rapid weight loss. As pancreatic tumors develop, they consume calories and nutrients from healthy tissues, resulting in a rapid decrease in weight. Moreover, since the pancreas is responsible for producing enzymes essential for the digestion of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, tumors can interfere with this enzyme secretion. This disruption leads to inefficient digestion and nutrient absorption, further accelerating weight loss. While minor weight fluctuations are common, a rapid and considerable reduction in total body weight calls for a medical assessment, particularly if it cannot be attributed to dietary or exercise changes. Another symptom to consider is a sudden loss of appetite. Loss of appetite, or feeling unusually full after consuming only small amounts, referred to as early satiety, may also be a sign of pancreatic cancer. As tumors expand within the pancreas, they can exert pressure on nearby organs involved in digestion and appetite regulation, such as the stomach and intestines. Important nerves and hormones originating from these organs, as well as from the pancreas, can be impeded by the cancerous mass, leading to diminished hunger and appetite. Additionally, cancer cells emit chemical substances that further suppress appetite. These tumors also divert calories and nutrients that should nourish normal body cells. Owing to these combined mechanisms, there is a significant reduction in the desire to eat, and proper food intake becomes constrained, which contributes to the weight loss discussed previously. The fourth sign to watch for is light-colored stools. If you observe unusually light-colored or pale brown stools, This may also be indicative of pancreatic cancer. Typically, healthy stool possesses a normal brown color derived from bilirubin, a waste pigment secreted into bile. However, when pancreatic tumors obstruct bile drainage, as described earlier, bilirubin cannot properly reach the intestines to be eliminated in the stool. Without bilirubin, stools lose their typical brown color and instead become abnormally pale. While temporary stool color changes can occur, due to certain foods, consistently pale stools call for a medical evaluation, particularly if they occur in conjunction with symptoms of jaundice. Dark urine is another indicator of pancreatic cancer. As previously mentioned, tumors that obstruct bile drainage cause bilirubin accumulation in the blood. Some of this bilirubin seeps into the skin and eyes, causing yellowing, while the excess spills into the urine, giving it a darker tone. As bilirubin levels continue to rise due to bile blockages, urine color can shift from light yellow to amber brown, and eventually to very dark shades. Although temporary concentrated dark urine can result from dehydration, persistent discoloration warrants medical testing. Another symptom to be aware of is itchy skin. High levels of bilirubin crystals depositing under the skin due to pancreatic tumors can also lead to significant itching sensations without a visible rash. This itching typically begins on the palms of the hands and soles of the feet, which are highly sensitive areas. However, it can spread to other parts of the body as bilirubin levels increase, allowing crystals to distribute across various bodily membranes. The eyes may also experience significant itching and watering. While many factors can provoke mild, temporary itching, severe, unrelenting skin irritation necessitates an evaluation for underlying obstructive jaundice, another symptom of pancreatic cancer. Abdominal pain is another critical indicator. Key digestive processes such as stomach emptying and the propulsion of food through the intestines rely on coordinated muscular movements. However, as pancreatic tumors grow, they can compress nearby organs like the intestines and stomach, causing cramping pains as normal motility is disrupted. Nerves that transmit signals may also become entrapped, triggering sensations of severe discomfort. Therefore, if you notice severe, steady abdominal pains, particularly in conjunction with other symptoms, it is important to discuss these with your doctor to assess for potential compression of digestive organs by tumors. The development of unexplained back pain can also be a symptom of potential pancreatic cancer. As pancreatic tumors grow, they may irritate or compress the network of nerves that surround the organ. The pancreas is located close to the spine, behind the stomach, and key nerves exiting the spinal cord pass by the pancreas, carrying signals to and from the brain. As cancers invade this space, they can entrap nerves, leading to sensations of back pain. Furthermore, tumors may erode through the rigid structures of the spine itself, also causing pain. While many factors can cause temporary back pain, persistent and unexplained mid to upper spinal pain warrants a medical evaluation. Symptom number 9 is nausea and vomiting. As tumors enlarge, they can obstruct drainage from the stomach, liver, and pancreas itself, disrupting digestive processes. This blockage into the intestines also impairs nutrient absorption and gut function, leading to abdominal pain, a buildup of toxicity, and impaired gut movement, which trigger profound nausea. Additionally, irritation and obstruction of the vagus nerve, which helps synchronize digestive rhythms, provokes forceful reverse stomach contractions, attempting to expel toxins even when they are not actually present. Another symptom is the new onset or diagnosis of diabetes. The development of diabetes can signify underlying pancreatic cancer. The pancreas plays a crucial role in regulating blood glucose levels by secreting insulin and glucagon. While insulin lowers blood glucose levels, glucagon helps raise them. However, as tumors develop within the pancreatic tissues, the secretion of these glucose-regulating hormones becomes disrupted. As the cancer expands, insulin production can fail completely, leading to high blood sugar, medically known as diabetes. Since diabetes often gets diagnosed first, do not dismiss new onset of high blood sugars and consult your doctor as soon as possible. Fatigue is another possible sign of pancreatic issues. As tumors grow, they drain all energy resources and deprive healthy tissues of the nutrients needed to function properly. In addition, the tumors infiltrate and destroy oxygen-carrying red blood cells in the marrow and spleen. With fewer cells available to collect oxygen, vital for energy production, rapid muscular tearing sets in, even with trivial tasks. This, combined with poor intake from appetite and digestion changes, quickly leads to profound fatigue. Another indicator of pancreatic cancer is the presence of blood clots. Tumors secrete a variety of growth signals and vascular substances that make the blood abnormally sticky, leading to red cells clumping together, increasing viscosity, and activating clotting mechanisms. Consequently, small clots start forming throughout the blood vessels. If fragments of these clots break loose, they can travel to the lungs, obstructing circulation and causing shortness of breath. Narrowing of vessels in the legs from clots can also manifest as calf pain with walking. If you notice one or more of these common early warning signs indicating pancreatic trouble, don't panic, but do make prompt medical appointments. The good news is that applying certain lifestyle changes and medical interventions can help halt and lower the chance of developing pancreatic cancer. Firstly, quit smoking and avoid secondhand smoke to prevent further DNA damage and inflammation. Secondly, follow an anti-inflammatory diet high in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and omega fats, while minimizing processed red meats and excess alcohol to protect pancreas tissues. Thirdly, avoid or limit exposure to chemicals that may lead to tumors in your workplace. Fourthly, increase physical activity daily to improve insulin sensitivity and stabilize blood glucose levels, thereby reducing the risk of diabetes. The key is early detection alongside healthy lifestyle choices for the greatest odds of stopping pancreatic tumor progression and overcoming the disease. Stay vigilant and discuss all symptoms with your doctor at the first signs of trouble. I appreciate you taking the time to learn about the common yet overlooked signs of pancreatic cancer. If you found this information helpful, I kindly ask that you take just a moment to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also share it with others. This allows me to continue producing more content focused on keeping you safe, healthy, and well-informed. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take good care until next time.